Shaggy gardens are the unexpected trend expected to dominate at this year's upcoming Chelsea Flower Show, with none other than celebrity gardener Monty Don leading the charge. But you can put your garden tools away, as this lawn idea is less about achieving a perfectly manicured lawn and more about creating an outdoor space you can trample on. The rough around the edges trend is focused on creating hardy, perfectly imperfect lawns that can be enjoyed by all, not just admired from afar. This is everything you need to get the look yourself. After years of presenting, this is Monty Don's first showing at the RHS Chelsea Flower Show, but he is certainly leaving his mark. Not only known for his garden, but his golden retrievers too, the RHS and Radio 2 Dog Garden, designed by Monty, will be packed with dandelions, clover, and daisies. This may sound like a garden full of weeds, but Shaggy gardens are supposed to be hard-wearing, tough, and to be enjoyed. Despite the weeds, this is not about rewilding, nor is it a meadow, nor is it immaculate bowling green. It is a modest, familiar, authentic lawn you'll see in most homes across the UK, said gardener Jamie Butterworth, who is working with Monty on the garden in the Standard. Lawns need not be perfect. If you love an immaculate lawn, that's great. Good for you. If you don't, that's fine as well. You don't need to worry or stress about it. The Shaggy lawn is back. In simple terms, a Shaggy lawn is a lawn that is lived on and enjoyed. It's not perfect. Your borders may be overgrowing, and there may even be patches of moss, but it's as nature intended. There's something quite charming about a lawn that's a bit unkempt. It feels more alive and in tune with nature. Plus, it's a practical choice, as less mowing means more free time, and who wouldn't appreciate that? Aside from that, knowing that your garden is contributing positively to the environment creates a sense of satisfaction, knowing you're doing your bit, says Josh Noble, gardening expert and director of Pole Hill Garden Center. This shift isn't only about aesthetics. These environments also help to support biodiversity. By letting lawns grow a bit wild, we're providing habitats for pollinators and other wildlife. It's a win-win, as it's less maintenance for us gardeners and also a boost for the ecosystem. How to achieve a Shaggy lawn at home. To create your own Shaggy lawn, transplant daisies, clover, and dandelions into the lawn to make the grass more hard-wearing. Or you can allow these weeds to grow instead of mowing them. If reseeding your lawn, use a hard-wearing grass seed variety such as perennial ryegrass, 9.99 at Amazon. Ideally, it should not look like a rewilded lawn or meadow, instead just like a regular lawn that has always existed, explains Graham Smith, MCI Hort, a gardening expert from LBS Horticulture. There is potential for this trend to last, as it focuses on making your garden feel like less of a chore and ensuring that it is pet-friendly. Perfectly manicured gardens are not the best for wildlife, and this trend can contribute to the push towards trying to help wildlife in urban areas. It may sound a little wishy-washy, but honestly, the best way to achieve a Shaggy lawn is to just enjoy it and not worry about excessively grooming it. What's more, with no mow May on the horizon, why not connect the two trends to finish the look? All you have to do is let nature take the lead and mow less, weed less, and allow wildflowers to grow. I'd also suggest letting your garden edges grow, as not only does that round off the look, but it can protect hedgehogs too.